Abby and you're watching Donnie's Choice, the Cook. So today mga kasuki, we will be having our ready-to-cook items from Donnie's Choice. So before we head to the ingredients, background check muna tayo, no? Who is Donnie's Choice? Donnie's Choice is one of the seafood and meat distributor here in the Philippines. So without further ado, tara, let's cook!
So ito ang ingredients natin for today. For the seasonings, we have oyster sauce, salt, white pepper, sweet and spicy dip, and syempre, our main ingredient, Donnie's Choice Shrimp Tempura Kit. Ang una nating lulutuin ay ang shrimp tempura. Buksan ang kalan at lagyan ng olive oil. Pagka mainit na ang ating mantika, ilagay na ang shrimp tempura. Pag golden brown na ang ating shrimp tempura ay ilipat na sa ating nilagyan. Our next is our vegetables. Ginamit natin ang mantika from our shrimp tempura to get an additional flavor for our vegetables. Una natin ilagay ang ating baby cabbages. Lutuin ito for 1 minute pagkatapos ay isunod ang ating spinach. Ilagay na natin ang ating salt and white pepper at haluin muli. Ilagay ang ating oyster sauce for our final seasoning.
So there you have it, our very own tempura with sauteed vegetables fresh from Donnie's Choice. So if you guys want to order this please don't hesitate to message us in Facebook or in Instagram. Also, you can order from our website at www.donnieschoice.com. You can also follow us on our TikTok account, Donnies_choice, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Once again, this is Abby here at Donnie's Choice, the Cook.